Take a moment and imagine your parents. What comes to mind? Is it their physical appearance, character, words, actions? What do you remember most about them? On today's episode of the Live a Meaningful Story podcast, we're giving you space to reflect on the memories of you and your parents, particularly your father, through the A24 film AFTERSUN. Directed by Charlotte Wells, AFTERSUN recounts an adult Sophie reflecting on a summer holiday she took with her father. Little did she realize at the time that this would be their last memories together. And so the film depicts an adult Sophie trying to make sense of her relationship with her father and how that informs her shifting role as a new parent. For those of us who are parents, how will we be remembered by our kids? What sort of relationship are we cultivating here and now? And so through this film and the narrative practice of remembering, we'll explore how to give space to reflect on our relationships and associations of life. However painful it might be, let's be open to what AFTERSUN might say to us.